Hey, what's up everybody? You're obviously here for information about cold weather heated gloves. These gloves are from KEMI MOTO. They sent these to me for a test. I gotta say, super high quality gloves from KEMI MOTO. The heat is instantaneous. Comes with 2 batteries and a charger that splits, so you can charge both batteries at the same time. They have 3 different settings. You got high, medium, and low. Super easy, push button, color coded. These gloves are waterproof. They got knuckle protection, and they got a little skid plate on the palm. So if you are riding a motorcycle, say, or a snowmobile, and you come off and you put your hand down, you're gonna skid. It's not gonna catch. Some gloves have very sticky palms and stuff, and that's not necessarily good if you're coming off a bike, say. But as far as the build quality of these gloves, I mean, they're really well built. So that's the review, KEMI MOTO heated gloves. Go check them out. I'll put a link below, and type in the code Johnface, save yourself some money on your purchase. And if you can, give this video a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Appreciate everybody. Have a nice day, and I'll see you on the next one.